Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to open Trading 212 Demat account and you invest your money as a globally. So what is the process, where exactly available, and which types of features in this platform like a Trading 212. Let's start how to open it. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, simply open here Google and just type here Trading 212. First link is display here. I'm putting this link in same video description. You just simply click here. So look at this. Here several languages are available. Which language you want comfortable, you can select. Otherwise go with English. Commission free investing for everyone. No need to put it any kind of commission, and you can buy top company share. 1.5 million client, 3.5 billion euro client asset. It's so fantastic platform to invest your money in share market. We can simply open here, open account. As an open account point of view, you just simply select here your country, which country you are living currently, country of residence. So I select here my country. Nationality, so I select here my nationality. Personal details, so simply type here your personal name, family name, and your mobile number, your date of birth, month, year. Next, country where do you pay tax, select here. So you can put it here your unique identity number and where you find, like suppose for example click here and your passport are mentioning your CPR code, so you can put it here in the CPR code properly. So as here personal identity number, where you find your personal identity number. So look at this, simply open your passport and here your personal identity number are mentioning. It's called, if you are living in Denmark, so your CPR code is unique identity, so you can put it this number here. So I put it here my number there, so automatically move forward this process, and I type here my address. So now account type, buy stock and ETF with zero commission, trading long term and short with low average. So I simply select here number one option, go with next. My current currency is euro, the account are accepting the currency euro, so I select here next. So annual income, how much your annual income, you can accordingly select. So I simply select here 30 to 99,000 euro per annum. Saving investment, so how much invest your money under 20,000. Salary, saving, personal, social benefits, so I simply select your salary. What do you plan use for the trading account, the specialty, which types of investment, so I just simply investment here. What payment method do you prefer, the deposit and withdrawal money, personal UN bank, personal European Union bank, personal credit card, debit card. I just simply select here credit card, debit card. How much money do you expect deposit annual, simply I select 1 euro, 10,000 euro in between. What do you risk, low risk, medium risk or high risk, so I just simply select here low risk. What is your employment status, full time. What is the industry nature, your business, accounting, professional, agriculture, which industry, where exactly you're working, accordingly you select. So I am selecting here engineering. Investing knowledge you have, yes. What type of financial instrument you are most familiar, cash deposit and government bonds, money market fund, real estate and stock, simply I select here stock. What market do you already invested, home, development market, US, none of this. What is the divided right, I select here future plan. What are penny stocks, small companies, large company, big company, so I just select here big properties. Terms and condition, yeah, I confirm. So I declare the rate, understand the agreement and following those clauses, you can read properly, and then I confirm. So enter your email and then simply password. So I enter my email here and password and account open. It's simple process to sign up the account. So look at this, your account has been created. Next, so as an identification point of view, you need to put it here your documents like a passport, driving license, identity card or residence permit. So I go with my passport. Submit passport photo page, continue on phone or upload here. So simply such kind of page you can upload here properly, like this, not this, not that, not that also. So simply I upload my pass ID like this properly, upload, continue with your own phone, say scan the link, phone, open link, complete the task and check to back. As a face, you need to upload your photo here, face recognition. I simply scan this code using my mobile phone. So look at this, I am scanning this code, open here, continue, enable the camera, face. So So here is my face. Click the picture, upload here, simply upload successfully. Submit the verification identification should be wait couple of seconds. For the verification point of view, you need take to time after verify. So your account here, related information, you can manage your fund, deposit funds, like simply deposit here fund. We are receiving your account. Okay, first of all need to verify identification, and then you can very easily deposit here money, and you can buy the shares like a number 1 shares going to the Tesla. It's so expensive, 839 euro. Then Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, you can buy very easily shares. Suppose for example I want buy the Netflix, buy share. You need to verify first of all and simply the buy the shares. It's very simple process to make the account and invest your money. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.